left side of the building. Shouldn't have run.
You can see that expression in your eyes.
I'm wicked.
Taking him up the hill, just so you guys know. Admin walking across.
Go!
I got a sidearm now. I'll shoot you point blank.
You just tagged me back in?
Yeah.
Can't, he's a defective.
Okay, I'm dead.
He's on the other side. It isn't so bad. You just go up, you get shot, you get respawned. It's fun.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go push in. Oh, hit! Damn. Move forward, Zach. I'll cover you. What? If you get down in that deepest part where it's deeper, okay. Yeah, that. Let me get a pistol and I'll run at him with a pistol. There you go. Ready? Ah, hit! Yeah, I'm ready. I'll do it again. Do it. There's one guy already up there. Do it there, cover. Good job, man. You guys held up.
Rebellion, bro.
Man.
You should have.
Good shot.
Man,
Good
I was
job.
waiting on.
Contact, 100 meters. Fire.
Go down there a little bit further. Go that way.
Get behind. They're moving to the right. We got to get to that last building or we're not going to have anything to do. We're going to flank it down. Wait, they got 1 minute to the 2-story. If we can hold it, we're going to try and get around to the other building. We got special forces on the woods. Run, go, go. See him? Black shirt. The next tree, you guys cover. You guys take this position.